To enroll someone into a course, we first access our course. Once inside the course, we go to Communication, click on Class List. Here you'll see listed all of your students or whoever is currently enrolled in the course. To enroll someone new, we click on Add Participants, click on Add Existing Users. This will bring up a search bar, in which case we type in this user's name, and then click the magnifying glass. This will start the search, which will return anybody with that username. Upon locating the user, we check the box next to their name, go over to Role, and set the role to what we need it to be. In this case, I'm going to set it to a fellow faculty member who may be viewing this course. Go ahead and click on Enroll Selected Users, get the confirmation, click on Done, and their name should now appear in the list as well.